So good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm absolutely buzzing for today. So we're out, it's meant to be yellow weather warnings, however the sun's out, clear skies. I'm just buzzing for this camp. We're in a nice little area, it's about 135 acres give or take, I could be wrong. However, it's one of Dino's areas where he works, and also he's got the permission to camp here as well. The plan for today is we're going to set up two pretty much identical shelter setups. They're like a lean-to tent style, 4 metre by 3 metre, one Tigris tarp. We've both got the exact same tarp as well. I've actually just brought it solely to do this setup, so I'm really stoked to get that setup done. First time we've done it, so there's a bit of playing around that we need to do with it. So look forward to this camp. It's going to be absolutely mint, and you know, good vibes when me and Dino are out together all the time. So we're going to set up now real quick and get that done, and then we're just going to chill out by the fire. It's going to be a late fire tonight because, like I said, the weather's gorgeous. We're at 14-15 degrees at the minute, sun's out, clear skies, it's brilliant. So we're going to get set up now, and I'll bring you back shortly. As you can see behind me, we're at an absolute gorgeous little spot, one of Dino's favourite spots, so we'll definitely be coming out here at some point as well and doing a camp here. It's brilliant, just got natural shelter, it's, yeah, fantastic. You can see why he likes it so much. Brilliant. But just want to say thanks ever so much, Dino, for bringing us down today, mate. It's beautiful area, and I look forward to doing some more camps on here as well. Just at the edge of this woodland, and you can see, I'm probably going to bring you down to it in a minute actually, just so you can see how beautiful it actually is. Just get out onto it field real quick. Just look at them views. Beautiful. You know, it's nice just to be in an area that you can really just appreciate. I'm just going to bring the camera around as well in a second, just to show you some of the hills and that are there. Yeah, it's just so peaceful. So peaceful, it's so nice. Dino's going to be thinking, where's Baz gone? But I've probably been gone for the last 25 minutes, just loving life. But when you're in an area so big though, that's what it's mint. You just get yourself lost. And to find this little opening here, it's just brilliant. Enough of the talk. Let me just bring you in. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now just look at that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go meet Dino, because he's going to be thinking, where the hell am I? And get some wood processed. Camp's all sorted, we've got pizza pretty much good to go as well. We've got the pizza ovens tonight, so I'm really looking forward to that. I've not really done one before in a pizza oven, and yeah, I'm buzzing for that. I'm not too sure what it is. I think Dean mentioned something to do with chicken and barbecue based pizza, so we'll soon see. He's brought all the food today, so yeah, I'm going to get myself up, get the wood processed, and I'll bring you back shortly. It's a bit wet. Right. Right, so the temperature's dropping a little bit now. It's starting to get a bit colder. We've got a lot of the firewood all prepped now. Dino's done a good job of that. Been using his new Silky Big Boy as well, so I definitely recommend that. It's just glided through the likes of these. I mean, these are a thick old chunk, just gliding through them, no effort whatsoever. So Dean's just gone for a little walk now. I'm just going to prepare a bit more wood. We're not going to be cooking on this fire anyway, so it's just going to be for us. It's just more of a comfort on an evening than anything, and a bit of warmth. But I'll spin camera around in a second, and I'll bring you down to the pizza stoves as well. So you can see behind me we've got everything set up, and we've gone for the same setup between us both. I'll just bring you around for that as well. So there you have Dino's setup, nicely neat and organised. Got the fire pit. Then you got mine, and there you have pizza ovens. They've not been used, I think, for a little while. However, it'll just be a case of getting it a quick brush out and burn that through, and it'll be good to go. So yeah, look forward to that on an evening. So I'm just going to process a bit more wood now, and I'll bring you back shortly. Just while I'm walking up as well, I want to real quickly show you this little spot. You can just see how strong some of the winds have been over the duration of the last few months, and just look at this monstrosity that has fallen. I'd probably say it's quite recent as well, but don't quote me on it. Just set this up, just see if you can see that. Yeah, look at that. Massive. Ground's really soft as well, but look at this, brilliant. It's incredible what you find in nature. But just look at the size of the pothole that it's left. Look at that. It's incredible. But yeah, So anyways, I just wanted to show you that real quick because it's brilliant. I love little things like this. I mean, if it didn't have a load of water in it, it'd be a nice little spot to camp in as well. It's just natural, and that's what I like about it, it's all natural. But, right, anyways, let's get some wood processed. So I'm going to do with this as well, put it in my pocket. There's no end of times I lose that, and I'm always running around trying to find the sheaf. Got such a knot in that, but good bits to burn. Tell you what, it's not took long to warm up again, but there is, just behind the camera, a dark cloud coming through, so we may possibly expect a little bit of rain. I mean, so far so good, it's been nice, so I can't mourn too much to say it was meant to be yellow weather warnings. So yeah, I mean, we've got a nice canvas tarp as well in the car, and the car's not too far of a walk, about a 5-minute walk if that. So if it does rain, we'll probably bring that over, drape that up here somewhere, and you know, hunker underneath that, so we've still got a nice communal area. But a lot of the wood's prepped so far, so should get some more done. As you can see, I just made a quick, simple pot hanger. Very easy to do.
So beautiful, like that.
It's lovely, isn't it?
The sun's just coming through as well.
Yeah.
This is the best camp I've had in a long time, like heat-wise, you can feel the spring coming through, can't you?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's coming.
Yeah.
It's brilliant, isn't it? Right, well, Dino, he's just decided to go and dig an hole as he's needing to drop the kids off. I've still been playing around with this little walking stick. So I think what we're going to do now, as it's starting to get a bit dark, is just settle down for the night. And are you finding a hole? Oh, he's going to use the toilet now. Yeah, didn't want to use the porta cabins because there's always weed on the seats, so he thought it'd be cleaner digging an hole. But yeah, so I think what we're going to do now is just get ready for evening, and I think I'm going to get my Crocs on as well and just relax and chill out. It's been a good day so far. And it's nice to be out and actually enjoy the day instead of it getting dark so early, which is nice. I mean, we're coming to now, just check the time, we're at 4:10 now, and we've still got a good hour or so of light. Alright, so there's a falling down pine tree. So me and Dean are starting to make a little shelter. Dean's absolutely loving life at the minute. So, bring this down one second.
A lot of it's thick of it.
Yeah.
It's a load in there.
Not wearing an helmet.
Baz, build a little shelter. In there. Big fat boy.
Nice little door for you.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it now.
Oh mate, it's so warm in here.
Class.
5 minutes mate, it's took.
I like it. I'll put a bit more over the top there though.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
But yeah, this will give you a right old insulation. Like
Just
you said,
if you
even
move
this
your
bit here,
legs.
even that bit there, if you put a little.
Yeah, if you
Use
move
that-
your legs to your right.
Yeah.
Just want to see. Yeah, so there's plenty of room.
For reference, I'm a 6'3" guy, so.
So there you have it.
Yeah.
Just chuck that on that side as well.
Oh. We'll grab some of them bits out. That's going nice. That's enough of it.
Yeah, should be sound.
Yeah, I think one bag will do too, to be fair.
Well, pizza's not gone to plan. Absolute mess. Back to the drawing board for that one. We've adapted and overcome. Bit hot, lad.
It's just it's not like I want it to cook on the inside.
Yeah.
Beef. Right, let's get a bit. Where's your bowl, mate? On your plate.
Just there, man. Gangster. It's like chucking into a nice doughy mess.
Oh, mate.
Ugh. Right, well that's me and Dino getting pretty much ready for bed now. Dino's just having a bit of a flap on at the minute. But it's been a good night, hasn't it, mate?
Definitely, mate. Epic, as always.
Nice little spot. Definitely come here again.
I'll be here in the morning.
Hey?
I'll be here in the morning.
Yeah, it's alright for some, isn't it?
Yeah, mate.
But, yeah, I think we're going to go bed now and we'll catch you in the morning.
Easy peasy.
Oh, yeah. She's lit again. Yeah, keep blowing on her.